connected. We're here with Ras Kaneo out of Linstead, St. Catherine, right here in Jamaica. But right now, we're at
Kingston 12, Triple L Production, Recording Studio. With your Jonestown, no matter of fact, you know what I mean? Art of Love to Triple L, Get a Life Records, G City Music, Lenwell McLean, Joggis, Dada Biggs, the whole entire team, CJ, Dr. Grantland, same way.
Alright, so who is Ras Kaneo?
Just a young and upcoming artist, talented, you know what I mean, humble, full of joy and vibe, conscious youth, doing conscious and substantial music, you know what I mean, what the world can accept, you know, some produced by ourselves, Get a Life Records and G City, and we have a few big bad single produced as well by Triple L Records, so you can look out for them, you know, all that a single title, Cook Up Pot, you know, as well you can look out for my EP coming soon titled Emotions Alive as well. You know, so a crazy work, man, we are put in Ras Kaneo.
Nice,
yeah,
nice.
So we give thanks.
Ras Kaneo, why music?
Why music? Because I'm music, and music is I and I. You know what I mean? Because from a tender age, music play a very positive role and impact within I and I man's life. You know what I mean? Losing my father from a tender age. Music are one of the things where help to keep me conscious. You know what I mean? So, music is just life, and I and I is music.
Alright, speaking about your music, I understand that your EP is now out, right?
No, it's not.
Not yet?
Not yet out.
Alright, tell me the progress on your EP.
Finish recording, you know, now to print, and then in maybe 2 to 3 more months from now, you can look out for the launch. Because we are going to launch it, you know, so the world can look out for it. We are going to talk about it. So you can follow me at Facebook at Ras Kaneo, Raskaneo, Instagram, Twitter, you know what I mean, Ras Kaneo, Raskaneo. You know what I mean? Just follow the warrior and follow the works and the music. Give thanks.
Alright. So you're going to perform one of your other songs, Leave Babylon and Come, that's the name?
Leave Babylon and Come.
What is the thinking behind that song? What do you mean? Babylon, who you are bono?
Babylon. You know what I mean? Anything wrong, you know, Babylon, you know. See? So for you know, so you do the wrong thing, you're Babylon. Aside. So we just are burn everything that's wrong. You know? Corruption, injustice. You know what I mean? You name it. It's a government. We need some more educated youth around here. Free up education. You know what I mean? Free up health. And these things because it's necessary. You know what I mean? Equal rights and justice that I always stand forward for. Get a Life and G City, as well as Triple L Production. You know what I mean? And you hear that from the voice of Ras Kaneo. So when we burn corruption, we say leave Babylon, you know, so we are leave them corruption. Come along with I and I, we go live in a righteous land.
Alright, so now we're going to hear again from Ras Kaneo, and he will be performing Leave Babylon and Come.
Yeah, man.
Go ahead and follow him on Facebook, on Instagram, at Ras Kaneo.
Raskaneo.
Yeah, man, I'll type it right here in the comment section. But big up all the persons watching us live on Jamaicans.com. Really, really appreciate this platform to extend our stories series that is first published on Jamaicans.com and also published on Live Well Jamaica. Now for Leave Babylon and Come by Ras Kaneo. Alright.
Africa unite. We moving right out of Babylon. We go into our father's land. Hey, Triple L record. Hey, leave Babylon and come, my people. Yes, we get in dome. Yes, we say leave Babylon and come, your children. Yes, we go in now. Mix it up. Leave Babylon and come, my people. Yes, we go in home. Yes, me say leave Babylon and come, your children. Yes, we get in home. I don't know how when me do to wicked Babylon, cause every turn we turn up pure confusion. Tell about them Jesus and them gods, them listen. confusion. But we not forget Marcus solution. And I remember Africa up in the golden age. When I'm talking about, yes, it's them golden days. When black king and black queen and them are reign. When Emperor Selassie I him prophesy over again. Black woman no cry, no feel no pain. Education and no key. History book repeat, able kill kid. We Babylon and come, my people. Yes, we go, we know. Yes, me step it. Babylon and come, chat children. Yes, we go. Hey! We Babylon and come, my people. Hey, yes, we go, we go. The Babylon and come. Watch another, I want to talk to the people, them now. Oh, yeah. And when the lion roar, and the old jungle trembles, hey, them build them bullets, or them bomb, them build them bayonets. Josh fi gold, them want fi build them spaceship. And when you split justice, them say you're racist. Get we from the motherland because them want fi claim it. Them shackle we up, them pop we up, and put we in a slave ship. Them tribulation and them whipping we have fi face. Ha! Look how feet in her. And the EP, Leave Babylon and Come, produced by Triple L Records. Wide worldwide, it's Ras Kaneo. Blessed love and give thanks. You can follow me again at Facebook, Ras Kaneo, RASKANEO. Instagram, the same thing. Twitter, you go at Warrior Kaneo. You know what I mean? WARRIOR KANEO, and you'll find me. YouTube as well. Give thanks. Blessed love.
Alright, there you have it. Ras Kaneo performing on Jamaica Have Talent. Hope you enjoy the show. Seeing a lot of love, likes, and all of that from all of you. I really appreciate it. Just before we finish off, if there's any question that you have for Ras Kaneo, just post it right there in the comment thread and we will share it with him. We want to also big up the person who is behind all of this, who is the studio engineer.
Triple L Records and Dada.
Alright, so Ras Kaneo will tell you. Go ahead.
Alright, so first and foremost, we have to give thanks.
Go ahead.
First and foremost, we have to give thanks unto the Almighty himself. You know what I mean? Bless up my manager in England, Derby, Lenworth McLean. Brother, big up yourself. Triple L Records as well. Get a Life Records Jamaica. G City Music. The entire team. Lindsay St. Catherine, Kingston, Jamaica. Kingston 12. I'm a yard, me there.
Yeah, where exactly
you understand?
Kingston 12 are you?
Where they are Trenchtown, Love Street, Jonestown, Triple L Records. You know what I mean? Kingston 12. Rastafari.
Nice, nice. Alright, there you have it. Go ahead and follow Ras Kaneo on Facebook and on Instagram. And until next time, Jamaica Have Talent, I am Ashley and Mawat. Big up to Triple L Records, big up to Jamaicans.com, and you can follow this series on Our Stories Jamaica and LiveWellJA.com as well. Bless.